Introducing QloApps Data Cleaner, an add-on that helps you remove demo and test data so your website is clean and ready for launch. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. We are now in the QloApps admin panel. By clicking on Recommendations, you can install the Data Cleaner module. It is a free module and easy to use, and I have already installed it. So let's proceed with the configuration. On the configuration page, there are 4 different sections. The first one is Catalog. When you enable this option and click on the Delete Catalog button, all your hotels, room types, features, tags, images, and prices will be deleted. Please note that this action cannot be rolled back. The next section is Orders and Customers. If you want to delete orders, customers, carts, connections, and messages, enable this option and click on the Delete Orders and Customers button. Moving further, we have Functional Integrity Constraints. This option allows you to remove data that was created due to the existence of primary data. In some cases, there may be duplicate entries in the database, and this feature helps remove those duplicates. Lastly, we have Database Clean. As you can see, it removes data tables that have crossed their expiration period. By clicking on Clean and Optimize, you can clean and optimize the database. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.